So over here, if I were to go to the start menu, then what you see are some pinned icons. And what you can do is you can click and hold these pinned icons to move and change its location right here, just like this. You can also remove them by right-clicking on the icon right here and by clicking on unpin from start right here. So once you do that, the icons are unpinned out. If you want to pin out your icons again, you can go around over here onto all apps, and whatever app you see right here, you can pin it out. Let's say, for example, you want to pin out the Notepad++. You right click right here, click on pin to start, and now if you were to click on back right here, then there you go, there's the pin item right here. You can also go around over here, and if there's any shortcut of the application on your desktop, you can right click over here, and then what you can do is you can pin this to start as well. So if I were to go around right here, let me just go around and click on pin to start, and now what happens is that the application gets pinned to start right here. So if I were to open up any Explorer right here, you can see that there might be different shortcuts, and if you want to pin them to start, then you can right click over here, and then what you can do is you can pin to start as well. If you're using home version of Windows 11, then you might see a shorter version of the settings right here. So you should right click in that case and go to more settings, and then you will have the same options that you see over here. So you can go around right here, and once you pin, you can see that documents has been pinned out. You can right click over here. So let me just go around over here, and here what you can do is pin to start, and it is over here. It'll pop up over here as you can see. And that is how you can pin and unpin the applications inside of Start menu inside of Microsoft Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.